like usual. Just getting a couple of things that we needed for the house and a little extra thing for what we're gonna make in a little bit, which is Mom's famous and simple potato salad, which is delicious. And she does it plain because that's the way we like it. We don't like it with all that extra stuff that she loves. But everybody always loves her potato salad. And I still can't get the consistency of how she makes it. How she do it? I don't know. It's probably that mother love touch that she has, that motherly touch. So we're gonna go home and we're gonna go make this because we're a little hungry. And so we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. barbecues, parties, and get together.